Hidden away in a small shipping container is one company's idea of how to re engineer and automate nature.
We can grow 365 days a year. No matter it's raining or snowing or super hot or drought outside, we can grow inside of here. Basically anytime, any day of the year.
Chen Fry co-owns and operates Friday's Fresh Market in Davenport. It's what is known as a smart city farm.
And when the roots are healthy and they are in this ivory color, and it's just looking really nice and clean.
A smart farm uses a wide variety of new technologies combined with hydroponics to optimize growing food.
This black part is made of recycled plastic bottle. Everything is automated here. We are not dependent on the sunlight, and we're using high-efficient LED lights. They provide all the spectrums that's needed for growing plants. It's just sometimes it amazes me like how big the leaves are. And they are on an automatic schedule here. And everything is controlled by a computer software. We can monitor, adjust, and control everything on a phone app just on our fingertips. A lot of what we grow is hydroponic lettuce, and we grow 6 to 7 different kinds of the lettuce. This is a tray of red oak and a green sweet crisp. We also grow sweet baby kale and herbs as well, mainly basil. But this is a big mission, and we're only at a stage 1. We have 4 layers, and every layer grows, several hundred heads of the lettuce at the same time. The quantity is massive, and it doesn't look that way because everything is just so compact. But when you really take each level and spread them out on single layer, it's incredible that how much we can grow.
The system is not perfect.
Checking the pump and cleaning up any of the dead foliage that might be up here.
Being such a new form of farming, technical issues can and do arise. But for Chen, the benefits far outweigh the challenges.
My favorite part is, I think, the mental part, because it is hard work. No mistake, it's hard work inside of here, but when you're thinking about your hard work actually turns into somebody's health, it is a euphoric feeling. When you have a stressful day and you look at the plants, and they're always so cheerful, they're always so just energetic. So that's why I feel growing itself is just such an experience, it's such a therapeutic process. Plants are my therapist. Plants are they really have this healing power to me.